Hello, this is your girl Evelyn Sophie, CEO of Grow Wealth Easy. Today, I want to talk to you about how to let go of control. Are you someone that identify yourself as being very controlling? I am that person, and I used to be that person. I'm still working on that. So there are some ways that you can work on it and actually be more trustworthy, because that would be the opposite of being very controlling. So the first thing that I'll talk about is, why are we being controlling? The reason why people are very controlling is lack of safety, or just preventing themselves from being hurt, especially if you've been hurt before in the past. So you become very guarded and you want to control every circumstance, thinking that you're actually controlling your environment or controlling situation. But in reality, we truly don't even have control over a lot of things that we think we do. So the first thing was, try to become safe internally, because if you're not safe internally, you exhibit that by being very controlling and trying to be safe externally. There's We can go into depth as to how you become safe internally, but that will be for another video. So let's focus on how to actually let go of control. So the first way to let go of control will be, first of all, take baby steps. It's hard to just get up one day and say, oh, I'm no longer very controlling. No, there's a reason why you were controlling in the first place. So you got to gradually get that out of your head. So if you want to be a less controlling person, you have to learn how to trust other people, or trust the scenario, or trust God, or trust yourself. Most of the time, we don't trust ourselves to be able to handle the negative effects. So there's this thing that they call confirmation bias, which is just meaning that we always confirm what our mind is telling us. For example, if you're someone that thinks something negative is going to happen and you're very negative, of course, your brain is going to look for all the scenarios to create that negative scenario for you. For example, let's say you have a boyfriend that you don't trust, and you keep expecting that boyfriend to cheat on you. Even if that was not a cheating person, you're going to eventually create a scenario that it's either going to look like he did cheat on you, or he's probably going to eventually cheat on you. Or if he doesn't, then you probably go for someone that will cheat on you, because that's your programming, that's what you're thinking. So for you to be able to be less controlling, you have to learn how to be safe in your body, learn how to be safe in your own environment, and also learn how to gradually trust other people and other scenario. Trust yourself that you're going to be able to handle anything that comes your way. Now you'll be able to let go and let God, or let the universe, whichever one you believe in. So that those are the steps on how to stop being controlling or less controlling. Another one would be your affirmations. Whatever you declare that you are definitely are. So one of the affirmations that I like to say is, I'm very trustworthy. I'm a very trusting person. So try to be saying things that you want to happen rather than things that you don't want to happen. For example, I heard this lady put it this way. He said, anytime you make a statement, add the word, and that's the way I want it. For example, if you make a statement, my boyfriend might cheat on me, then you add the statement, that's the way I want it. Then you're going to rethink that statement. I'm like, nope, that's not what I want. So of course I'm going to redo that statement. My boyfriend is very trustworthy, and that's the way I want it. So every statement that you make, just add the word, that's the way I want it. That's going to help you affirming things that you want in life. I hope this video was very helpful. If you want to listen to more helpful videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my one-on-one coaching program at growwealtheasy.com, and also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Eveline Sophie. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.